All right, I'm here with TAS, who's one of our partners here in the South, and wanted to say a few things about our technology and how it's been working for them and creating them some value down here.
We've been using the ice machine. We really like it. It's doing a great job. We really like the abrasive part of the technology. We look forward to cleaning some tanks with it. We've been focusing a lot, Foster, on the asphalt areas. And our customers that deal with asphalt emulsions seems to be working very well there. And we really like the technology at TAS. When you look at the difference in this technology, there's just nothing else out there like it. This is much more abrasive. It's a very different technology that gives us a lot of options outside of dry ice. We're probably going to use dry ice less and less, especially because of cost and waste. There's just a lot of economically friendly options here.